call African Reparations Day. Let's stand tall. On the 1st of August, the moment has come for desired devotion. The battle's begun, with Dr. Umar leading, his voice a guiding light. We gather together, ready for the fight. Reparation now, it's a must. Hear the echo of the past, rise with trust, discipline and determination. We won't be denied. Calm on the surface, but rich inside. An empty barrel makes the loudest noise, but we're deep and profound. Our soul's the real joys. From 10 in the morning until 8 at night, we'll share our vision, ignite the light. At the African Pioneer Square, we'll make our stand. Unity in purpose, united we demand. Reparation now, it's a must. Hear the echo of the past, rise with trust, discipline and determination. We won't be denied. Calm on the surface, but rich inside. On this day in August, we gather our strength. From the hills to the valleys, we go the length. With each voice lifted, the echoes resound. In the fight for justice, together we're bound. Galaxy Freeway, leading the way. The brainwashing station, we're breaking the sway. In the spirit of heritage, we remember the past, a future of promise, built to last. Across the nations, let our voices sing. Reparation now, let freedom ring. Reparation now, it's a must. Hear the echo of the past, rise with trust, discipline and determination. We won't be denied. Calm on the surface, but rich inside. So mark your calendar, don't forget the date. Don't forget the date, August the 1st. It's never too late. At Windrush Square, we're making our claim. Reparation now, let's ignite